Hello and happy February, everybody. As you can see, it's snowing here. Might make a snowman later. Right, so there'll be a video coming up shortly of making this alien head from monster clay. And that'll be part one because I plan to make some tentacles which will come out the neck there. Some sort of octopus tentacles. More LED stuff. There's some purple L wire there, so we'll see what we can do with that. We'll be experimenting with LED lights throughout the year and see what we can come up with. A bit of experimental stuff going on here, seeing what we can come up with for future projects. So it's a bit like a test laboratory in here at the moment. What I will do, because I know there's a few people that's interested in the electronic stuff, so maybe in the next electronics video we'll do a basic circuit for an LED light with a switch and 3-volt battery in a 3-volt battery holder there, and it's just a basic little circuit, and I can list all the components and put the circuit diagram up also, so we'll do that at some point. It's not very dark in here, so you can't really see what's going on too much, but perhaps we'll make some LED lights to backlight wall hanging objects made of concrete and whatever materials. Kind of works quite nicely on certain objects. It's quite cool. And that's a flashing LED there. I mean, that would probably drive me mad. But we can use more subtle LEDs to create some subtle lighting. So you got the fibreglass 2-piece mother mold for the Sculpt tea light candle holder. There'll be a few more fibreglass videos coming up shortly. Got this latex leaf mold on the go, which there's already a video up on the channel how to make these, but I'll be making a fibreglass mother mold for the leaf mold, so I'll probably put a video up of that as well. And this particular leaf will be going on Etsy at some point once the mother mold is finished. Got this mother mold, a multi-piece mother mold. I think there's 7 pieces on that. So there'll be a video of this coming up shortly, but it'll only be a brief video. This will be like the second series of the fossil moulding series. So then I can see all the pieces of the fiberglass are all in place on this mother mold. I just need to trim the edges off, put some feet on it, and we're done. Also, with the LED light thing, we'll try and get some videos up with embedding LEDs into resin casts, and we'll see how that turns out with paint jobs and so forth. So that's it for now. If it's snowing and cold where you are, keep warm. Thank you for watching, and over and out for now.